Greg from Greg Allen Walker. We're now at Cebu. And then we're going outside to have a to be here a little bit. I'm wearing my ID. Okay. And I'm just gonna picture first Okay, we're now gonna go up the elevator. Okay. Okay, we're gonna be here.
Thank you.
Okay, we're now at the elevator. And then it's like 15. Okay. This is the one at Cebu, part 1. Okay, we're arrived at the ground floor. It's cold. I should wear my jacket. I forgot to wear my jacket. Okay, we're now going out ahead, straight forward. Cold. Say hi. And then we're going across the road. First, we're going down the stairs. The view of Cebu. Okay. This is my first time at Cebu. We're at Ayala Towers. Condominium. We're at Ayala Towers Condominium. Okay. Here's the road. Made it a little bit from isn't it? Okay, we're the view. So okay, I am gonna show you my POV. Okay, let's tell my nanay first what restaurant we're going. Wala. Na restaurant. Okay, we're going to McDo. We're gonna go to McDo. There is just across there. There is McDo. Okay. And then we just should just wait for a few minutes. We'll be right back. See you at McDo.